Hey guys, you are here for some cool and most useful car accessories on Amazon. So let's get it on! Introducing the Northshire Tire Inflator Air Compressor, your ultimate portable air pump solution. With its sleek design and powerful performance, inflating your tires is a breeze. Achieve precise pressure with its digital display and auto-stop function. The compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go use, from bicycles to cars and beyond. No more worrying about deflated tires. Experience convenience, accuracy, and reliability with the Northshire Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Get ready for effortless inflation anytime, anywhere. Let's add some fun and excitement to your car with Sprite Car LED lights. For interior car light strip come in one pack connected to the small box. They synchronize their color and speed with music from sound surrounding, so you can choose your own custom light show from 16 million RGB colors with your phone. They're also waterproof and safe for children, so you can enjoy them worry-free. The UME car refrigerator is the perfect way to keep your food and drinks cool and fresh on the go, whether you're on a road trip or camping. With its dual-zone, odor-reducing design and low energy consumption, the UME car refrigerator is the best choice for any outdoor adventure. This Bluetooth-controlled device also features a detachable handle, LCD touch panel, Max and Eco 2 cooling modes, temperature control, dual storage area, and cup slot design, which makes the perfect refrigerator for your car. Is your car interior always filled with dirt? Well, why don't you keep a tiny vacuum to clean them? Rubit Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This small device featured with strong suction power and one-handed operation. With the rechargeable battery, you can use this for 20 minutes with a single charge. Also, the filter is removable and washable, making it easy to keep the vacuum clean. Don't miss this! This is a perfect dog seat cover that can keep your car clean and safe for your dog. With its 4-layer fabrics, waterproof and durable design, and 4 levels of protections, your dog will be safe and comfortable on every car ride. Also, you can use this in some different ways, such as bench style, cargo liner style, and even can relax on the ground. Try this seat cover and keep your car clean and mess-free. You don't have to miss your coffee in the morning anymore. With this portable coffee maker, you can brew your coffee right in your car. Just add water, place a coffee capsule, and press the button to start brewing. The device's handy lid doubles as a cup, making it effortless to savor your coffee. Observe as the water heats up within the coffee maker, and the integrated water pump propels it through the capsule, presenting you with an ideal cup of coffee for your morning on the move. Heltico Car Backseat Organizer. The perfect way to keep your car tidy and organized. With its 9 different size storage compartments, clear tablet holder, pockets for bottles, and large mesh pockets, you'll have plenty of space to store all your essentials. Plus, the durable materials and easy-to-install design make it the perfect choice for any car. Try this and keep your car neat and tidy. Is your car battery dead on the road? Well, we have a better solution for that. Star X1 12-volt jump starter. This is one of the safest, most convenient, and durable jump starter on the market. With its supercapacitor technology, 3 minutes fast charging, long lifespan which can use more than 100,000 times, and ability to work in freezing weather, the Star X1 is the perfect jump starter for anyone who wants peace of mind on the road. Try your Star X1 today and never be stranded again. Get back on the road fast with the Tubeless Tire Repair Kit. This easy-to-use kit is compatible with all tubeless tires, and it can fix a puncture in minutes. No need to remove the tire, just follow the simple instructions and you'll be on your way in no time. This kit is small and lightweight, so you can easily carry it with you on long journeys. Also, this device is suitable for cars and motorcycles both. You need to try this. Looking for a way to keep your kids entertained on long car rides? Check out the Motzley Car Headrest Mount. This will keep your tablet or phone securely in place, so your kids can watch movies, play games, or read books without it bouncing around. It's suitable for most headrests and installs quickly and easily. The mount can be rotated 360 degrees so you can find the perfect viewing angle for your kids. This will help to keep them occupied and prevent them from getting bored or restless. The Lenmoto Vast Pro Dash Cam is the perfect way to keep your car safe. With its 1080p full-color videos and images with amazing details even at starlight environment, wide view distance, and loop recording, you can be sure that you will always have a clear record of what's happening on the road. The Vast Pro also features a G-sensor that detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage, as well as a 24-hour parking monitor with low-voltage protection. With its 2 ways to install, the Vast Pro is the perfect dash cam for any car. Here is an ultimate automatic tent for your car which can control by a remote. This amazing tent keeps your car safe and protected from unpredictable weather and prying eyes. It's easy to use with its windproof strap and anti-theft belt, and it even has a built-in car charger to keep your devices powered on the go. Not only that, the Shake Snow system makes clearing snow off your car a breeze, and the soft rubber material ensures your car's paint stays pristine. This versatile tent is perfect for all seasons, from spring showers to scorching summers to winter wonderlands. Try this out! Your tire got punctured on the road? Well, don't worry, you can fix it within 10 minutes or less with Slime Emergency Kit. This kit is perfect for busy anyone who need to get back on the road quickly. You can use this easily with 4 steps. Select Air Plus sealant, connect hose on the tire's valve stem, plug inflator into 12-volt power outlet, and then push green button to turn system on. Then you're ready to go. So if you're ever stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire, don't panic. Just break out your emergency tire repair kit and you'll be back on the road in no time. This wireless charger is perfect for busy drivers who need to keep their phones charged while they're on the go. With automatic opening and clamping design, it's easy to use with one hand, and it provides 15-volt fast wireless charging for your phone. Plus, the upgraded release button ensures that your phone stays securely in place while you're driving. So if you're looking for a safe and convenient way to charge your phone in the car, then you need to check out this amazing wireless charger. Introducing the Rove Viva, the Alexa-enabled car charger that gives you complete voice control in your car. With this device, you can get directions, listen to music, make calls, send messages, and more, all hands-free. Also with the 2 USB ports that can charge your phone and your passenger's phone at the same time, so you can both stay connected on the go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this.